looking at me. I ordered a 15x8 VMS racing wheel. I'm just gonna kind of open it up and see what it looks like. I only ordered one because I want to like test fit it, you know, and mock it up and see if I like the fitment. Because I see a lot of people use this wheel, but they have like a wide body kit, like the wide fenders and all that. So I got one for now to mock it up and kind of see what, you know, just how it looks and what kind of lug nuts I'm gonna need. And if I like the way it looks, which I'm sure I'm going to, I'm going to order the other one. So let's do a little bit of a box opening, see how they package it, how much pride they put into it, I guess. You can kind of tell, like, you know, the quality of something by kind of how they package it, like how much pride they put into the wrapping and just, you know, stuff like that. So I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. It's pretty hard to do this with one hand. See what we got here. Huh? You want to take that off? Take that off.
Oh, it's enormous.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. That's pretty good. This is usually how new wheels come, like this plastic ring to protect the lip.
Yep.
Take this off. Man, it's wrapped up pretty good. So I have ordered wheels before, and it was just the plastic lip and the foam. It wasn't wrapped in a bag.
This one wrapped up in.
Huh?
Oh, this time it's wrapped up in plastic and paper.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They like wrapped it up really good, like in a bag, the paper stuff and the plastic. Man. Here, I'm gonna let you take that off because that's gonna show. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna get it started. Go ahead and take it off and reveal. It's wrapped up again? No way. So it had.
Oh, it's a pretty color.
Yeah, it's like a blue wrapping. They really wrapped this wheel up super good, huh?
Yeah. I love it.
I wasn't expecting this, but I'll let you take that off. See if you can take that off. Oh, it's pretty hard, huh?
It's not blue.
Oh. Is it getting squished?
Why is it not a pretty color?
It was just because it was the blue plastic. Man, what do you think about it though, Booger? Look at the wheel. Man, that is sweet. Like the edges are like milled or machined. Come on, focus, camera, focus. Focus. Maybe I was too close. VMS Racing. I'm really liking the way it looks. I just really hope it fits the car well as far as the offset. It's a 15x8 with a plus 20 offset. I might need some like special lug nuts. I'm not sure if the ones I have now would work, but well, there it is, the unboxing and how it's wrapped. Does it have a sticker? I hope there's a sticker in here. So it's Friday morning, the day after Halloween. It's actually really cold. It went from like being 90 degrees to like freezing in like a matter of a week. Freaking crazy. But yeah, I hope everyone had a good Halloween. I know we did. Oh my god, I'm gonna need to defrost my windshield. Oh, what's this? Oh, my tea from Cane's yesterday. Oh yeah. Well, I hope get it going or make it worse. Okay, the Cane's tea isn't cutting it. I'll be late for work. I forgot I have my little temperature gun. Let's see what we're looking at here. -11. No, that's not right. I forgot it goes like really high to the air when you point it up. Need to point it like straight ahead. That's it. Huh. About 40 degrees, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty cold for Houston. Considered it was like, seriously, in the beginning of the month it was like 90 degrees. So it's like a 50-degree difference. It feels cold as hell. I'm not used to it. So I might just set the camera up and test fit the wheel. And all I'm pretty much looking for is I want to be checking out the offset, like how much the wheel sticks out, and to see if the standard lug nuts I have would work. That's basically it. Because I mean, I know a 15 is gonna look great, but just the 8-inch width and 20 offset, you know, I just want to see how much it's gonna poke out, and that's pretty much it. And if everything looks good, I'll order the other wheel, and depending on the lug nuts, if these aren't gonna work, I'll order the right lug nuts. I'm actually have to do some research on that if they don't work. But yeah, let's take it in. So I got it on there. It does stick out a little bit. It's definitely gonna be aggressive. It's gonna stick out like an inch. Man, even for being a 20 offset, I didn't think it'd be so aggressive as far as like the sticking out. But this is like the least aggressive offset they have. It's like this or a 0 offset, I think. Like you can get like a 15x10 with a 0 offset, or maybe it might still be 20. But yeah, the 20 offset is pretty much like, you know, this, I don't have any other choice but to run this. It's gonna stick out, but I think I can live with it. I'm trying to get like the fenders flush to get you a good idea. Like right there is how much it's gonna be poking out. That's quite a bit, but I did find a picture of someone running these wheels with stock fenders. I'll get that clip up right now so you can see for yourself. So as you can see, it does look okay. I mean, it's not going to be like a flush or tucked setup. It's obviously for you know, go and not for show. As far as the tires, I really think I'm going to run the Toyo R88 888Rs. As far as the size, so far I'm leaning towards 225/45 15, because they're about 23 inches tall, which is about the same height as the 205/45 16s that I'm running now. I don't want to go taller and like mess up the gear ratio. I wanted to stick to the same tire height, if not shorter. So I think that's a good size. The 225 should fit the 8-inch wide rim pretty good. So yeah, that's the plan so far. Here it is again if you want to see. Alright guys, that's going to be it as far as the test fitting and mock it up. I learned that it is going to stick out at least an inch, but I'm going to have to live with it. I could reuse my lug nuts, which is cool. Wouldn't have been a big deal if they wouldn't have worked out, but I know for a fact that they're going to work. So now it's lunchtime. I'm just going to cruise maybe try to find a fun run. You know what? There's something wrong with the car. I'm not sure if it's in the tune or if it's the boost, but there's a dead spot at like 5,500 RPMs. I keep meaning to like do some pulls and kind of look closely and see what's going on, like to see if it's building boost all of a sudden in one spot, or you know, I'm not quite sure what's going on. So I'm gonna make a pull and try and replicate that dead spot at like 5,500 RPMs. Like after it passes that point, it'll just like fucking pull hard, but it kind of lags at that certain RPM. It's closer to 6,000 RPM. So what I think is happening is I tried to trick the computer by at a certain point I took away a lot of timing to build boost when I launch, but it's only supposed to activate when it's out of VTEC. So I think what's happening is it's hitting that spot and it's kind of killing the momentum, and then once it gets past that, it picks back up. So I either need to lower the VTEC engagement point or raise that spot where I wanted the anti-lag or the two-step to engage, because basically it's at a certain spot at RPM where I want to launch. I took away a lot of timing and added fuel to build boost off the line, but it's supposed to be switching to VTEC before it hits that. So I think that's what's killing it. Something's not right in that setting. But you know, again, I shouldn't really have to like trick the ECU into giving me an anti-lag. I should get the gold or pro version of Chrome, or in the comments I've been people have been saying I should use the Honda tuning suite, which I have. I've downloaded it and I'm kind of going through it, and I try to actually put like a base map with the Honda tuning suite. I really like all the features and everything, but when I tried to run it, I had to check engine light and it wouldn't run right. I kept trying to adjust the cells and it wouldn't adjust the AFR. So I got some a little bit of a learning curve with the Honda tuning suite. I'm just so familiar with Chrome and it's so easy to use. I mean, it's just what I'm using for now until, you know, I have serious power and I really need a better tuning solution. But for now, like, Chrome is plenty in my opinion. I mean, it does everything I need it to. It's simple, it's basic, but for me, I think it's enough. But I will eventually move on to a better tuning software. I spotted this Volkswagen GTI. I'm gonna see if I can run them down. I doubt it, but I'm gonna try. I think I got him. I think I got him. Hopefully he's gonna U-turn so we can have some fun. That bitch was pretty fast. Damn, I wish my tune wasn't fucked up right now. Yep. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay greasy. I'm gonna initial slam it.
The fuck? You still haven't fixed that?
Oh, bullshit to that too, huh? Episode 2 of the, fuck, what's the title? Hold on.